Welcome to the part 2 of our series, where we explore websites that promise to cure your boredom. Today, prepare for a cosmic journey as we unlock the mysteries of the universe with a visit to 100,000 stars. Fire up your browser and type in 100,000 stars. Click on the top result. Brace yourself, this website is a 3D marvel, so give it a moment to load. Once it's loaded, behold the cosmic spectacle. Use the zoom feature on the right to navigate through the vastness of space. Start by zooming out to witness the grandeur of the entire galaxy. Click and scroll to immerse yourself in this three-dimensional cosmic experience. Now, let's focus. Zoom back in. Explore the intricacies of the stars, our solar system, and dive even deeper to unveil the beauty of planets and our sun. On the top left, take things to the next level by clicking the Take a Tour. This feature will be your guide, presenting a visually stunning exploration of our outer space. Imagine a future where we can witness live updates of the cosmos directly from our laptops or mobile devices. The universe, just a click away. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed the experience, consider subscribing to catch more intriguing websites in this series. Your subscription fuels our exploration. Until then, keep exploring the wonders of the web, and may your curiosity continue to reach for the stars.